Assalamu alaikum dear friends. In this video we watch Dr. Zakir Naik's speech that Dr. Zakir Naik gives the answer of question that why we need the religion for successful life in the world. So please watch the video.
Asked a very good question, that why do you need a religion like Islam or any other religion? Brother, if you understand what is the meaning of religion, religion according to Oxford Dictionary means a belief in a superhuman controlling power, a personal god or gods that deserve worship. In Islam, the Arabic word used is deen. Deen in Islam means a way of life. So you ask me the question that why do you require a way of life? And why do you require to understand, as Oxford Dictionary says, religion means believing in God. So why do we have to understand God? The reason is that, brother,